Hello everyone, this is the right side of a mud fossil lung, and here's the left side of the mud fossil from the mud flood. This part up here I accidentally broke when I was getting it from in the backyard. I accidentally broke it, and I need to find the other piece. I don't know what I done with it, but here's some close-ups. This is the right lung. When I first got these out of the ground about a year ago, they were a lot redder, but the texture on these is something that's, different from other rocks. Here's some of the layers. So that's the right, and here's the left. Yeah, this was different color and everything, but the texture's about the same. It did have a lot more little fossils on them, like as you can see that there is some fossils on them. Here you go. I'll flip it over, or flip them over. Okay, now here's the left, here's the right. I wish I had that piece. I have it somewhere. Here's the right side. There's some crinoids on there. And there's other fossils on here too. So, they were in the ground for a long time. It's where I'm sure some stuff was running in and out of these things, when they were in a body. And I have a lot of other different pieces too. So how about a thumbs up and subscribe? That would be amazingly awesome. And when I find the other piece to that, and then I'll put them together, and I'll be showing different feet, fingers, all kinds of things. So subscribe, guys, and you'll catch them. Alright. Isn't that wild, though? So very wild. Wait, here's the inside. If that's showing. I hope it is. I can't see it. But, yeah. There they are. Left and right lung.